Welcome, visionaries, to this defining moment in the Nature-Based Future Challenge. Your journey of innovation and dedication has brought us to an exhilarating juncture, the unveiling of the top 20 teams progressing to the next stage of this competition. Each team has demonstrated exceptional progress in creating visions that are viably groundbreaking. It's time to shine a spotlight on the top 20 teams for their outstanding contributions and their proposals. Deltability, Green Horizon Innovators, Delta Go, Eco Harmony, Gaia, Nature Delta, Pramanadara, Delta Green Team, Crystal, Tirtra Nawasina, Go2V, NBFBD, Nature Sync, Delta Harmonics, Natureize, Borsche Hopes, Agritect, Dynamic Delta Designers, NBF Task Force, Challenge Impossible, and Terraquas. Let's continue with the same vigor and vision that brought you here, and let's set the stage for a sustainable and thriving future. Onwards, for the future awaits your imprint.